Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Streamlabs desktop. Now, I know we've made a couple of videos, shorter videos, on how to use specific things on Streamlabs desktop, but this is the entire thing from start to finish. So what you want to do first is go to your browser and just type in on Google Streamlabs desktop. It's a very straightforward process. Just download the app, install it. It's very straightforward, very linear, very easy to do. Just like any other app that you're going to be installing on your PC. After that, just open it and you're going to see something like this. But your sources probably are going to be empty. So what you want to do is click this and you're going to go to General, Audio Output Capture, Audio Input Capture, right? So these two are hand in hand. We don't have this, so let's just add source. There you go. The device would be our headphones, two high definition audio device, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So we have audio capture, audio input capture. Let's put it here to be more. Okay, can't do that. After that, you need the display capture, because of course you want to see, you want to have your audience see what you're doing, what you're streaming. So those three are the most important parts, because audio output capture, if you're playing a game, that's what they're going to hear, the in-game audio. Audio input capture is going to be your microphone. So just to make sure, click on the cogwheel and just choose the microphone that you're using. After that, display capture. This is going to be, again, like what I said, it's going to be the screen that you're recording, that you're streaming. And after that, you can just, that's pretty much what you need, bare bones. It's already going to work. But I like to add, go to widgets after clicking add source. The first one is alert box. So as you can see here, we have alert box that's here on the upper left corner of the screen. So after that, you're pretty much good to go when it comes to just the general setup here. Now, what you want to do next is, well, make sure that you are connected to a Stream account. So what you want to do next is go to settings, go to stream. And as you can see here, we are streaming on Twitch. So we are logged in, although we are also linked to Facebook and YouTube. So after you pretty much just made sure that you're logged into the account that you want to stream on, what you want to do next is go to audio. So here in audio, what you want to do is just make sure that your desktop audio device one is going to be the one that you are hearing and what your audience will be hearing. So for me, that's headphones, high definition audio device. Desktop audio is disabled because we only need one. Mic/auxiliary device one is our microphone. So just choose what you're using. After that, just everything is disabled, right? So that's audio device. You don't need to change anything from the first two, the sample rate and channels. That's as is. Afterwards, go to video. So make sure that your base canvas resolution is the same. So it's right here, it says 1280 by 720. So this is a bit more like budget gaming rig, but we can I actually stream 1920 by 1080. After that, yeah, Langsas, and then common FPS values. And here you need to make sure that you do 60. So that's the average, right? So that's for video. Now you might be wondering, oh, is it for streaming or for recording? It's both. Okay, this is going to be your canvas. This is going to be the resolution of your monitor or your screen, right? After that, what you want to do next is go to output. So here in output, this is going to be simple at first when you just start it out, but highly suggested, I mean, that you go with advanced, because here you can tweak certain things. So as you can see here in advanced, you have streaming, recording, audio, replay buffer. We're not doing anything about any of these three because we only want streaming. So audio chat, one, right? Or you could just click Twitch VOD, but not really suggestible. Encoder, if you have a GPU, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, just use that. But if you have integrated graphics, if you're using one of those Ryzen chips that have graphics in them, so just do this. But since I'm using an RTX GPU, I'm just going to use this. After that, rate control, CBR, never change that. CBR is used by everybody. Bitrate, it says 2.5. since I'm streaming on Twitch, at least 6,000. Personally, I do 9. Keyframe interval, you can do 0 to 2. Preset is slow. But if you have a stronger PC, you can do slower or slowest, which is the best quality. But for this, I'm just going to use slow because it's good quality. Tuning, high quality. Don't even change any of this. Multi-pass, 2-pass. You can do single pass if your rig or your computer is not as powerful, if it's a budget PC. After that, profile high, of course. And then make sure that your visual tuning is ticked on. Some people use GPU at 2. I don't. I just do 2. And then max B frames at 2. So that's pretty much everything that you need, right? So after this, what you want to do next is unlock the power of artificial intelligence with Flicky AI. For a limited time, enjoy 10% off on their monthly plans. Revolutionize your workflow, streamline tasks, and boost productivity with Flicky AI. Don't miss out. Upgrade today and experience the future of automation. Link is on the description below. You can now click go live. So go live, and as you can see here, you could just, I'm using TikTok. I'm not using anything else. I mean, I'm using Twitch. I'm not using anything else. And you can just change your titles. You can change the category here. As you can see, we're Power World. I'm not gonna, not animal abuse with friends. Twitch tags. Twitch tags is it's kind of like tags on Instagram. So you can do Power World, RPG, whatever tag content classification. Actually, you don't really have anything. Maybe significant personality because I do cuss quite a bit. Aside from that, you don't really need to do anything. Stream features, branded content, not really. Share your stream. You could connect your Twitter here if you want. And then after that, just click confirm and go live. Now, you got to make sure that, again, you got to run through everything first again. Make sure that, as you can see here, I did see this, but my monitor is not as, it's not, you need to adjust this because that would have been a disaster. So again, if you're streaming, if you're doing this for the first time, you need to be mindful because it was smaller, right? Now it's not. So as you can see, we're pretty good to go when it comes to the screen, right? So again, make sure that everything is properly in place. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Chat is going to be here. It's going to flood here once you have those first viewers. And again, just click confirm and you will be good to go. So that's how you stream on Streamlabs desktop. I'm not going to stream because I haven't really streamed in a long time, but this is pretty much it. Because again, you need to have, again, even you probably can't confirm, you probably can't click this. You probably won't have the go live button because again, going back here from the beginning, are you sure you want to log out of Twitch? No, you need to be logged in to a streaming platform: Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, whatever, right? So make sure to double check that before you click confirm and go live. And then once you do that, you can just go live, have fun, start the grind. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.